Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use Boolean operations for shape transformations. First, let's create a donut. Drag in a rectangle and change it to a circle. Then duplicate this circle to create a smaller one. Select Transform Shape as Subtract. This will subtract the smaller circle from the larger one, creating a donut shape. Now, let's make an eye shape. Drag in two circles and overlap them partially. Then select Transform Shape Intersect. This will create an eye shape from the overlapping part of the two circles. Next, let's create a lock. Drag in a rectangle. Duplicate the donut and place it on the top half of the rectangle. Then select Transform Shape Unite, which will combine the two shapes into a lock. We'll also create a rectangle with a circular center. Drag in a rectangle and then a circle. Next, select Transform Shape Exclude. This will complete the shape. It's similar to the subtract method. Now, let's create a shape combining two circles with a hollow center. Overlap the two circles and select Transform Shape Intersect. This will create the desired shape. With Boolean operations, you can create various logos and icons. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.